Welcome to my channel.
Binance to set up regional office in Kazakhstan, intends to co-develop crypto laws. Binance Crypto Exchange has signed an agreement with the government of Kazakhstan intending at fostering the crypto and Web3 culture. Kazakhstan's financial monitoring agency is looking to have Binance provide insights on framing laws around the crypto sector. Both the entities plan to target illicit activities around the virtual digital assets (VDAs) sector. As per the bloc, Kazakhstan will house Binance regional headquarters and work on co-creating crypto regulations in the region. Binance has been taking efforts to expand its crypto literacy and training program among law enforcement officers around the world. Its hub in Kazakhstan will usher this effort in the region, which houses a big number of crypto miners. Under the Global Law Enforcement Training Program, Binance will connect police officers in different parts of the world to skilled Web3 professionals who would run trainings on ways to combat potential crypto crimes as well as ways to tackle the aftermath. Binance, which aims to become the most licensed crypto exchange in the world, entered the Kazakhstan market just 2 months ago. In August, the company was granted the relevant licenses by the Astana Financial Services Authority. Back in May, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao had met Kazakhstan President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev. At the time, the exchange giant had also entered an agreement with the Ministry of Digital Development of Kazakhstan to bolster Web3 boom. Meanwhile, Zhao has shared his excitement on the development with his 7 million Twitter followers. Binance is also coordinating with Nigeria to establish a special economic zone, powered by the crypto sector. This crypto hub in Nigeria will make for the only such entity to exist in all of West Africa. This initiative is also being supported by the Nigeria Export Processing Zones Authority, NEPZA.